this video tell about how to find the positive, negative and a zero and a character and a constant values to find. So I'm going through the logic about it. So I'm writing the positive and negative has a logical way in int. Int a equals to I'm taking as minus 89. So next what we have to do, we have to compare. What comparison? If a is greater than 0, then prints has a positive. Then print has a positive. Well, up statement is false, then print has a less than 0. Then prints has a negative value. These both statements are false, then go through this statement as a it prints as a 0. So this is the logic of it. So let's apply in it. I'm taking new source file and program to find positive, negative and 0. So start the program as include stdio.h. Next and I'm taking as int main and start the programming of it. Int a equals to I'm taken as a 90. So go through the condition of it. I'm taking the condition as if a is greater than 0, what it prints as printf, it prints as a percentage d is positive. It's a positive value. If whether this statement is false, then go through else if statement as if a is less than 0. This statement is true, then it prints as a percentage d is negative. If these both statements are false, then go through else statement and print else statement as 0. Percentage d is 0. So this is the program. So I'm saving the file and compile and run at a time. So I'm saving this file as a 10.c. So it is present. I'm saving it as 11.c. So and I'm compiling and running at a time. See here, one is negative. So I have to consider here at last as the a. So by considering a, does not get the binaries values like all numbers. So if I consider like this, then it showed me as a minus 90 is a negative value. So this is it. This is the logic of it. Now we have to take the constant value. We have to take here to start the as include string.h. So for starting the character value, we must and should have to know the string value. So after in place of int, we have to take the character. So here in place of int, we have to take the character. So let's see the logic of it. I'm taking the file, new tab, and I'm taking algorithm. So I'm starting with character. So for character it is only one colons s. I'm taking as s. So if condition, see here, if condition, if c double equals to has a, then go through this. Has, if you know the vowels you can able to write it. Next c double equals to, after it is I, then c double equals to it is o, and c double equals to u, and c double equals to u. So this is the logic of it. I'm printing, then it prints as a vowel. Whether this statement is false, then prints as a constant. This is the logic of a program. Let's apply through it in a program. I'm taking the new source file and program to find constant or vowel. So I'm starting the program. Hash include std io.h. Next, hash include string.h. This is the main logics we have to know. The starting of the string means the character values. To find the starting statement is the string value. So next, char main, because it is a character, no, so you have to consider as a char. Next we have to start the program, and I'm taking the char c equals to, and taking as I. So I'm taking as a I. Now we have to go through the if statement. So I'm directly copying it, so it's take a lot of time. So I'm copying this file. So I'm copying this file so we can able to write it. So here this is the logic behind it. So printf, it is a vowel. So here percentage s is vowel. So prints like this. Next here ampersand has a c. I have to consider like this. Next I'm going through else. Well, upper statement is false, then print as a percentage s is constant. Here. Now let's save the file, and now let's save the file. I'm saving the file as a 12.c, and I'm comparing and running at a time. Here it is showing me like this. So I'm not consider like here. So I'm directly going to it as I'm removing this. Then it can show me like this. So I'm removing it. Next I'm removing this both. I'm saving this file again. I'm compiling running at a time. So it is the vowel. See here. because I'm taken as a I. So I'm taking as U, sorry, Y. Let's see what happens. While and running, it's showing me as a constant. So this is the logic behind it to find the constant or vowel. And I hope this video is helpful to you to learn basic way. And please share this video uh, for more content and more videos to get from you. Let's have a subscribe to my channel whether you understand well. So thank you for watching this video.